Today, I'm showing you exactly how to get the brand new giant pine cone and grow a garden. First method, the seed shop. You'll need 55 million shekels. That's right, 55 million. But here's the catch. It only has a 0.03% spawn rate and refreshes every 5 minutes. So set up an auto clicker or check every 5 minutes religiously. The competition is fierce when it spawns, so be ready. If you don't want to wait, you can buy it instantly for 929 Robux. Expensive but guaranteed. Once you get it, use this blinker convo, master godly advanced, then basic sprinklers. Let it grow for 2 to 3 hours minimum. Patience pays off with millions more profit. The giant pine cone gives up to 5 fruits per harvest and it's multi-harvest, so it's perfect for endgame passive income. It's classified as prickly, so hedgehog pets boost it too.